What's going on, guys? Investing Hustler here, and today I'm going to talk about my gains in the past month in the stock market. Now, although last month was a horrible month for investors and we had like a minor correction slash crash, whatever you want to call it, excuse me, I still made a pretty decent profits. Now, the reason why I think I made profits last month, even though it was a very bad month for investors, is because of my investing strategy, the way I like to trade. So instead of me holding all my shares long term, I set goals for my shares, and I buy for my shares that I buy, and once I meet them or surpass those goals, I sell and collect my profits right away. So I don't sit down and hope, oh, maybe it's gonna grow more tomorrow, I'm gonna hold it on a little longer. I sell as soon as I meet my goals. You have to stay disciplined pretty much. So as you can see here, you can see my account summary for the past 30 days. So I squared this off. I have my Canadian account and I have my American account. So basically, one is in American dollars, one is in Canadian dollars. That's pretty simple. So my Canadian position, I profited $3,094.67 in the last month, and my American position, I profited $2,442.96. And if you look at the top corner, it shows the time range. So I have the option to choose 1 month, 3 months, the 1 year, year to date. Also, in this middle section right here, you can see my book value and my settlement amount. Pretty much book value is what I paid for these stocks, and settlement amount is what I ended up selling them for. So on my American position, my book value was $83,000. That means that all my shares that I bought in my American position, I ended up spending up to $83,878. And all my shares that I ended up selling in my American position, I ended up selling, and it added up to $86,000. And the same with Canadian, my book value $9,000 and my settlement amount $13,000. And if you scroll down, you're pretty much going to see all the shares that I've purchased and sold. So you're going to see shares like Aurora, Canopy, Apple, AMD, Facebook, Netflix, Win, Walmart, Sony, Square, Tesla, Activision. And as here you can see the settlement amount, the book value, the gains and losses, pretty much the same thing as what you've seen up top, but it's going to be for the specific shares. And my top winners for my Canadian shares was Aurora Cannabis and Canopy Growth, ticker symbol ACB, and Weed. Aurora, I profited $2,327.88. Canopy, I profited $766.79. And for my American position, my main winner for the past month was JD.com. I did have that on my top 5 stocks I'm buying for February, which it was a quick like 1-day swing trade. I ended up profiting $849.81 US dollars on that. And my second biggest winner was Square, which I ended up profiting $365.51. Square was also on my top 5 for stocks that I'm buying in February. So although those stocks may have not done that well this month, they were pretty good for me because I profited over $1,100 off both those stocks. So on my future videos, I will be showing you my 3-month summary, and maybe at the end of the year I will show my year to date, so I could show how much money I've made through stock markets in the year of 2018. My strategies may or may not work for some people, so I don't really advise anyone to do it unless you're willing to take that risk. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Yeah, don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Either way, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.